Welcome to the channel of Clout Boss. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay notified. Here are 10 of the best images from the Hubble Space Telescope. This image is of a young stellar grouping called R136, only a few million years old and situated in the 30 Dorados Nebula. The nebula itself is a turbulent starbirth region in the Large Magellanic Cloud, LMC, a satellite galaxy of our Milky Way. Several of those blue diamond-like stars are over 100 times more massive than our Sun and are destined to become supernovas in a few million years. This region of the Carina Nebula is known as Mystic Mountain. In this composite image we see the chaotic activity atop a 3 light-year-tall pillar of gas and dust that is being eaten away by the brilliant light from nearby bright stars. Jets of gas are also being fired from within the pillar by infant stars. A rare moon transit of Saturn, which allowed Hubble to capture the shadow of the giant orange moon Titan on Saturn's north polar hood. Below Titan and to the left is the moon Mimas, casting a much smaller shadow onto Saturn's equatorial cloud tops. Farther to the left, and off Saturn's disk, are the bright moon Dione and the fainter moon Enceladus. This view of the Carina Nebula shows star birth in a new level of detail. The fantastical landscape of the nebula is shaped by the action of outflowing winds and ultraviolet radiation from the massive stars that inhabit this inferno. These stars are shredding last vestiges of the giant cloud from which they were born. In 2002, this star, V838 Monocerotis, suddenly brightened for several weeks. The images captured by Hubble revealed an effect called a light echo and showed never-before-seen dust patterns in surrounding cloud structures. The Hubble's image of the Ring Nebula, the glowing shroud around a dying sun-like star. The pictures Hubble was able to capture allowed astronomers to construct a precise three-dimensional model of the glowing gas shroud, called a planetary nebula. Although this celestial object looks like a butterfly, it has at its heart a dying star that was once about 5 times the mass of our Sun. The wings are gas, heated to more than 36,000 degrees Fahrenheit and traveling across space at more than 600,000 miles an hour, fast enough to travel from Earth to the Moon in 24 minutes. This composite image of the Crab Nebula was assembled from 24 individual exposures. It is one of the largest images taken by Hubble and is the highest resolution image ever made of the entire Crab Nebula, a 6 light-year-wide expanding remnant of a star's supernova explosion. The star cluster Pismis 24 lies in the core of the Large Emission Nebula NGC 6357. The bluest stars are the youngest, and part of the nebula is ionized by them. The ultraviolet radiation from the blazing stars heats the gas surrounding the cluster. A detailed look at the remains of a supernova explosion known as Cassiopeia A. It is the youngest known remnant from a supernova explosion in the Milky Way. Want to learn more about the exciting discoveries in the cosmos on a regular basis? Then remember to subscribe to Clout Boss and click on the bell to never miss one of our videos in the future. Feel free to show us with a thumbs up that we can keep you engaged with the content of our post.